Welcome to today's daily message. I want to offer a brief reflection on the gospel reading for today's liturgy. We see that Jesus and his disciples are passing through a grain field. They pick the heads of grain off the tops of the stalks, and the Pharisees see this. Why they happen to be standing near a field of grain is unclear, but they say he's breaking the law. And Jesus reminds them of something that David did, the great King David did, when he and his companions were hungry. So that the point of this gospel is that Jesus was not afraid to break the Jewish religious and purity laws, but he had a reason for doing so. And the reason why he was willing to break the Sabbath laws, the purity laws, was to do good for people. In other stories, he heals on the Sabbath, which was against the law. So why does Jesus break the law? He does so in order to do good for people, to feed them, to heal them. In other words, Jesus believed in a higher law, the law of love, the law of service, the law which said that we should take care of those who are in need. And so Jesus reminds us in this gospel that we need to keep our focus on this higher law, that whenever and wherever we see people in need, it is our first duty, our first obligation as Christians to take care of them. Thank you for watching today. Have a wonderful, safe, restful day.